Hey John and Mike, this is Bobbie, and here's the digital marketing analysis that I promised to John just a while back. So I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can build up your online presence, get on the top of the search engine, so that way when people are searching your services, they find you, they call you, and this in turn just brings you in more clients. So first thing I did is I went to the search engine and I typed in appliance repair, the colony, just so I can figure out who your top competitors are, what they're doing, why they're doing it, and why they're on top. So the first thing that we see right here is the Google business page or the map pack. So in order for you to get here, a lot of people think that it's only location based, but the very biggest thing that Google looks at is how many citations you have throughout the internet. So citation is basically your name, address, and phone number exactly the way you have it listed right here in as many directories as possible. So these have to be relevant directories. Yes, location is a factor, but that is not the only factor. It's not even the main factor. Another thing here is by the amount of Google reviews that you have right here. And keywords is number 1. So you have to have more images that are keyword rich than the top competitors right here. So appliance rescue service is number 1. And this is them right here. And I noticed that you're not here on the top of the search engine. But what I did is I went to go find yours to figure out what's going on. It looks like you're fairly new here. You have only 3 Google reviews, so that's okay. I'm going to send you a link. You click right here and it'll give you the link to give to all your previous clients and friends, family, everybody who you know who's going to give you a 5-star. Notice that you don't have any images either. There's a couple of other things that need to be done, but main thing right now is to get you in as many directories as possible. So the next thing you see right here is the organic section. If you look right here, these 3 businesses right here are actually directories that you do need to be in. You don't need to pay for anything unless you want to do ads with them, but just being listed in them for free is giving you a citation, one of the citations that you need. The first business here is appliance rescue. So first thing that Google looks at when looking at your website, they want to know your authority. They want to know what you know, how much you know. So content is key right here. You need to have as much or twice the amount of keyword-rich content as your top competitors. So I clicked right here to open it up. As I'm looking through to figure out how much content they have, it looks like they have quite a bit. So you need to beat that with keyword-rich content. I use this word counter tool right here. It's telling me that they only have 794 words of content on their homepage. So we're going to make it keyword-rich, and we're going to double that. So maybe at least 1,000, 1,500 would be best in order for you to beat them. So it's not just content alone. So the third thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. So backlink is whenever another website points back to you, points back to your website, and it gives you power and authority in Google's eyes. So I use this tool right here to figure out what backlinks they have. I put their website in right here. It's telling me that they have 5.1 thousand backlinks. So that's 5.1 thousand other websites that are pointing back to them. It's giving them authority, popularity in Google's eyes, and they have 6.6 thousand keywords that they're ranking for, and that Google is putting them on the top of this, or on the search engine for. I was interested to figure out what they were. Some of the keywords that I found that are relevant to you are appliance repair Dallas. You see that this is searched 500 times every month in the last 3 to 6 months. Refrigerator repair Dallas is searched 300 times in the last 3 months. Well, every month for the last 3 months. So imagine how much more traffic you would have if you were to rank on the top of the search engine just for a few of these right here. So basically that is it, John, Mike. Those are the 3 things I wanted to talk to you about to get your online presence up. You need to have more citations, more keyword-rich content, and more backlinks. Other things that I do offer is ads. I do social media ads, Google ads, and things like that. So I hope this helps. Give me a call. I can't wait to hear what you think.